Okay, we have seen how to compare 3-digit numbers. Now let us see how to form 3-digit numbers. So when 3 different numbers are given, like say 4, 1 and 8. Suppose we have these 3 numbers which are given, and if we want to form 3-digit numbers using these 3 numbers, can we form them? Let us see how to form. So let us take the first number, that is 4, and write 1, 8 beside it. So you got one number, one 3-digit number, 418. Then one more number you can form as starting again with 4. Again write, you can interchange these two numbers, 481. Now again with 4 you can't make any 3-digit numbers, so go to the next number, that is 1. So starting with 1, I can write 4, 8, that is 148, and I can write again 1, starting with 1, again interchanging these two numbers, 184. Now again starting with 8, we can write two more numbers, 841 and 814. Can we form any other number using these 3 numbers? So you can see here we have got 6 3-digit numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So using these 3 numbers we can form 6 3-digit numbers. Now in this 6 3-digit numbers, if you want to find the biggest number, if you want to find the biggest number, you have to check, we have to compare, see which is the biggest number. Starting one in hundreds place, 8. So here you have 8 in the hundreds place in these two numbers, and here because these two are same, the tens place number, that is the 4 here and 1 here, you have to compare these two. So in this both, 841 is the biggest number. So among all these, 841 is the biggest number. Instead of writing like this directly, if you want to write the biggest number, from these 3 given digits, what you have to do is write the given numbers from big to small. That is from 8, first the biggest number is 8, then 4, then 1. So you have got the biggest number directly by writing the given numbers from big to small. So 841 is the biggest number that can be formed using 4, 1 and 8. And you have how to write the smallest number that can be formed. Smallest number that can be formed using these 3 digits can be written by writing the given numbers in from small to big. That is, first write 1, then 4, then 8. So when we write like this, we got the smallest number that can be formed using 4, 1, 8. So here also you have 148, check for it. Yes, here it is. So here you have 148, which is the smallest number that can be formed using these 3 digits, and this is the biggest number. So like this you can form different 3-digit numbers. Let us see one more where we have 0 amongst the given numbers, like 2, 3 and 0. If these 3 digits are given, then how to write the 3-digit numbers? Same as we have done it before. 2, 3, 0. First we can write 230. Then interchange these two, 0 and 3. Starting with 2, 203. Then go for 3, 3, 2, 0. That is 320. Then 3, 0, 2. Interchange these two. 302. Now when we come to 0, if we start writing with 0, 2, 3 and 0, 3, 2. If we write this, because 0 is in hundreds place, if we know that if 0 is in the leftmost place, that 0 doesn't have the value in the number. So this will become a 2-digit number. It does not become a 3-digit number. So here it is 23 and here it is simply 32. So these two numbers cannot be considered as 3-digit numbers. So when 0 is given among the 3 numbers, and if you want to form 3-digit numbers, you can get only 4. See here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only 4 3-digit numbers can be formed. Now when coming to the biggest number that can be formed using these 3 digits, you can write again from big number to small number, that is 303, 2 and 0, 320. So this will be the biggest number that can be formed using 2, 3 and 0. Now when coming to the smallest number, I told you we cannot start with 0 because 0 it does not have any value if it is in the leftmost digit. So here in these 4 you can see that this is the smallest number. See, it is starting with 2, then it is having 0 and 3. 203 is less than 230 and the other 2 numbers. So first write the second smallest number 2, then go for 0, then go for 3. So this will be the smallest number that can be formed using these 3 digits. So now you have learned how to compare 3-digit numbers and how to form 3-digit numbers. Now what you have to do in the textbook is, in your textbook you have exercise 2.6. You have exercise 2.6 on page number 94. On page number 94 you have exercise 2.6 where you have, I'll give example of each type of sum what is given, where 3 numbers will be given, 217 for example, 207 and 227. Among these you have to find out the biggest number and the smallest number. So because see here when you have to compare, as we have seen, the hundreds place number is the same, so we have to compare the numbers in the tens place. So when we compare numbers in the tens place, you find that 2 is greater than these all. So this number is the greatest number and 227 is greatest, and when compared to these 2 or these 3, 207 is the smallest number. So 3 numbers will be given, you have to find the smallest and the greatest number. So this is one type of problem you have. Another one, you will be given 2 numbers like 432 and 618, and you will be asked to write a symbol either less than, greater than or equal to. So here what you will get, children? 432 is less than or greater than 680. Compare these 2 numbers. So how to compare? First go to the hundreds place. Here in hundreds place we have 4, here you have 6. So 432 is less than 680. So this is the second type of problem you have. And then you have forming numbers. You will be given 3 digits like 7, 3, 5. And how we have done? Forming the numbers, 3-digit numbers without repeating the digits. 735 is one number, 753 is another one, 375, 357, like that 573, 537. These are the numbers that can be formed, and you have to find the biggest and smallest numbers also. So biggest number will be starting with 7, that is the biggest number out of these 3, then 5 and 3. So this is the biggest number. And the smallest number is when you write the numbers from the small to big, that is 3, 5 and 7. Where is 3, 5 and 7? Here. So this is the smallest number that can be formed. So these 3 types of problems you have in exercise 2.6, so you can complete that in your textbook.